We all know that feeling. You know, the one where your spirits are low and you just want to curl up on the sofa. But before you reach for that tub of ice cream, let me tell you something. What you eat can actually have a huge impact on how you feel. It's true, darlings. Certain foods can be like little rays of sunshine for your brain, lifting your mood and giving you a much-needed boost. It's all about the feel-good chemicals, you see. When you eat the right things, your brain gets flooded with serotonin and dopamine, which are basically like little messengers of happiness. And who doesn't want more of those? So, if you're feeling a little down, forget the junk food, and let's whip up some deliciousness that will nourish your body and soul. Ready to feel fabulous? Let's get cooking! Now, let's talk about the stars of our mood-boosting show, the ingredients. First up, we have the magnificent dark chocolate. Oh yes, you heard me right. Chocolate can be good for you, as long as it's the dark and decadent kind. Packed with antioxidants and brain-boosting flavonols, dark chocolate is a surefire way to lift your spirits. Next, we have the vibrant and juicy berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. And last but not least, let's not forget about the mighty nuts and seeds. These crunchy delights are full of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep your energy levels up. These ingredients are like little powerhouses of happiness, just waiting to be unleashed in your kitchen. Let's get down to business with some quick and easy recipes that will put a smile on your face. First up, we have the chocolate cherry cheer up. Simply combine a handful of dark chocolate chips, at least 70% cocoa please, a handful of dried cherries, and a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. This delightful mix is perfect for a quick snack or a post-dinner treat. Next, we have the Berry Blast smoothie. Blend together a cup of mixed berries, fresh or frozen, a banana, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. This refreshing smoothie is a great way to start your day or enjoy as a midday pick-me-up. Finally, we have the Nutty Mood Booster Trail Mix. Combine your favorite nuts and seeds, I love almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, with some dried cranberries and a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips. This energy-boosting mix is perfect for snacking on the go. See? Delicious and easy. Now, you might be wondering how these simple ingredients can have such a profound effect on your mood. Well, let me break it down for you. Dark chocolate, as I mentioned earlier, is rich in flavonols, which have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain and boost cognitive function. This means better focus, better memory, and an overall brighter mood. Berries, on the other hand, are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your brain cells from damage caused by stress and inflammation. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which has been linked to reduced anxiety levels. And finally, nuts and seeds are excellent sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating mood and sleep. So, there you have it. These ingredients aren't just tasty treats, they're powerful allies in your quest for happiness. Go ahead, darlings, and treat yourselves to these mood-boosting delights. You deserve it.